Hello everyone, welcome back to another video unboxing, and this one is unboxing of the Nothing Free A phone. So this morning I actually managed to go to the store, London store in Soho. Got there about 10 past, quarter past 10. There was a queue, wasn't big. I managed to get in the middle, and yeah, I just wanted to because I was going to pre-order it online, but no, the online store was saying March 11th, and they're sold out of the free earbuds. No, if you follow my video, you know I'm always getting free earbuds with all the gadgets I get. So yeah, so this is just the base white one, because I think the white one actually looked really sick. Base one, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 storage. In the intro, I put the like normal. Just go back there, pause it to have the full spec sheet. Okay. So this is it. I'm gonna nice packaging, nice and thin. We assume, it's not the company's fault nowadays. This is part of the EU law. I assume there's no power brick or nothing like that. Even though the UK is not part of the EU, but we still follow them, which is a bit weird. So let's have a look. It's nicely done. And I explain why. They also had the Pro version as well, which I didn't get. I explain why I didn't get it once I unbox this. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay. Oh, that's nice. Nice thought to it. It doesn't actually damage the box. It's actually okay. Oh, look at that. Nice engrave. There you are. So we all know the founder, Carl Pei, used to be also the co-founder of OnePlus. Got a bit dirty there. OnePlus phone. Due to personal, what's it called, creative differences, he left and he created a Nothing phone. I kind of had my eye on them, but I never really purchased them until now, because so this is the phone itself. Nice. Put that on the side. What's inside? All right then. That's about it really. Cable, C2C, all white, and paperwork. Oh, and also this is the SIM injection tool, which is meant to be transparent, like a little. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I've got so many of these tools, I don't really even use them. So I'm just gonna quote Floss, Samsung, Google, Apple, effing Sony. Put the charge in there. But then again, you can't blame them. This is part of the EU law now, which is, like I said, it's a bit weird, because for some bizarre reason we're still following the EU law, which even though we're not part of the EU no more. So that's about it inside the box. Nice. Okay then. So first I have to say, if you follow my channel, I don't want to sound like a broken record. I finally, as of yesterday, Friday, March 7th, I've officially finished my consultation, so I've been made redundant. I finished my consultation, so the company's great. They're willing to pay me up to the end of the month, and yeah, so officially contract's ended. My consultation's over, so unemployed. Unfortunately, I have plenty of rejection letters from. Well, that's another story. So the reason why I got this, like I said, let me explain. They had the Pro version first. I want to continue my channel. Of course, it's nearly 1,000 subscribers. So please do like, subscribe, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, so I can get some some sort of revenue coming in. So please do so. Thank you very much in advance. Secondly, is as I mentioned, getting redundant. So I can't spend like a drunken sailor no more. But at the same time, I want to continue my channel. So I got this one, which is a bit affordable. So all of this is £329. So yeah, £330. You get, like I said, the earbuds, so it's pretty good value. And also that's one thing as well, to kind of continue my channel, but also kind of not spend too much money. And also, the reason why I didn't get the Pro version is because if you watch my channel, I had plenty of phones. The last 3 phones in the last 3 months has been flagship: OnePlus 13, the Nubia Z70 Pro, 70 Ultra, and also the Vivo X200 Pro. I've got all of them. I tend to carry 2 phones, so this and the Pro version has the same chipset. So when it comes down to performance, there's really not much difference. It's only just the camera. One has a better, I think, telephoto lens and a zoom lens or something like that, it doesn't really bother me because if I carry two phones, if I'm going to take pictures, I'm going to use one of my other flagships. So it kind of makes the Pro redundant, if, pun intended, redundant. So that's the reason why I got this. And thirdly is I actually prefer the A design because I'm not. I didn't think the camera bump because it was too bumpy if you compare it to the other flagship phones. This is nice color. This comes in black and white and the blue one. The blue one's not. I actually checked it out there. I was in the store. I didn't like the blue one too much. It was a bit cartoonish and like a toy almost. This is great. You can see it's kind of like transparent. You can see all these little screws there. Little, pretty good. I do like this visor, almost like a stormtrooper kind of thing. It's a little bit like the Pixel as well. You got the SIM tray, USB-C, volume there. Seems like it's only got one volume probably, unless this doubles that one. And I like the kind of like the bezel contrast to the white. It looks really cool. Nicely built. It's not too heavy. It's actually pretty good. This is textured aluminium, I think. So it gives you really good. Do you know what I forgot to buy? I was so eager to buy. I forgot to buy a case. Oh well. But it's still pretty good. I mean, they're using glass. Apparently, the last generation was using plastic, so using glass for this. But yeah, she looks really good. And yeah, the black one, and yeah, this one. To be fair, I tend to like my phone with black. You see in my videos. But you know what? It's time for a change. Time for a change. Maybe get a white one. And I think the white one actually looks the best. So that's one of the reasons. That's a few reasons why I didn't buy the Pro. Yeah, and you got, like I said, this essential button. They call it essential, where I'm about to play around with. Also, I'm actually looking forward to using the UI because it's quite a little bit different. I looked at some YouTube channels. When you boot it up, it actually has two options: the vanilla version of Google Android, or their version, which has that kind of monochrome kind of look, which I'm really looking forward to use to. The essential one is just kind of almost like in a beta, where it's not one they can. Nothing said they're going to continue to update it, where you can voice record things and keep track of things, like using AI. You can take a picture or something and you bring up the information online, all that kind of stuff. You can set yourself a reminding. Not that I really use it, but I want to test it anyway. And of course, I'm gonna stick my SIM in there, check it out, and then give it a few days, and then I'm gonna maybe do more hands-on and so on. There you go. And also another reason why I wanted to buy this was because I buy a lot of watches. You can see I got OnePlus 3 watch. Is apart from one or two, I got 9 in total at the moment, smartwatches, and I think only one is a Chinese version, which is the Xiaomi S4. And most of my phones is imported from China, and a lot of these phones all these watches I buy are using Google Wear OS, and they don't work with Chinese phones. So it's always good to have a global phone, global version. So I do buy a watch. I can actually use this to kind of set up my watch and so on. So there you go. That's about it. I do like the little red accent, small little detail like that. Really brings the phone alive. It's really nice to hold. So yeah, so I totally forgot to buy the case, which I'm a bit spoilt with, because I think that because all my Chinese phones come with a brick charger, a case. This one has nothing, so I'm kind of a bit spoilt for that reason. I probably why I didn't think of it. There you go. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you in advance. Check back in a few days, where I will test this, test the sound, the UI. I'm really looking forward to UI, the camera. Yeah, check back in a couple of days. I have a bit more of a hands-on depth. Okay, until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're in the world. Please do stay safe. Please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you, and goodbye.